Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a phone number in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Manage My Account button. And then just click on the Phone Number button. And as you can see, click on the Please Input the Phone Number button. And then just type your phone number in. And by that you will receive a verification code that you have to type in here. And once you type that in, you can just click on to receive newsletters and style tips, but you have to agree to the privacy and cookie policy, so just click on that. And once everything is done, just click on the Submit button and your phone number will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.